Today we are going to look at the advanced search feature of the ILMI database. To find this feature, click on Client Search under the General Options menu on the left-hand side of the ILMI database screen. Toward the top of the Client Search screen, you will see additional search options, Training and Employment, and Advanced Search. Both of these are links to another search screen. Click on Advanced Search. From here, you can build your own queries based on training, employment, gender, indigenous type, etc. As an example, I will build a small query to search for female clients who have training as a heavy equipment operator. So for my field options here, I will choose gender. For operation, I will select equals. And for my value, female. And then click add to have this now show up in my search criteria. Secondly, for my training as a heavy equipment operator, I will scroll down through my field list, choose training title, operation equals, and here I can type in my value. So I'm interested in heavy equipment operator. Click add to add this to your customized search criteria. And now, once you have built in all the fields you would like to have, click search. I now have a list of one person in my database who is both female and has training as a heavy equipment operator.